Wait, traders. Look at this. Look at this. Bitcoin just hit $80,352 today. I mean, seriously, this is wild, right? It's like all these altcoins are suddenly turning green, and I'm sitting here going, is this it? Are we actually gearing up for the next big pump? Or is this, one of those sneaky little traps the market likes to pull? I mean, gosh, it feels bullish. It really does. And look, if you want to stay ahead of stuff like this, like actually see these moves coming, we've been sharing all these super detailed setups and like premium signals over on the Patreon. It's great. It's a great way to sharpen your strategy and feel like you're actually on top of things instead of just guessing. You can even start with a tester plan. It's just $10. $10. The link's down in the description and the comments, just sitting there waiting for you like that old watch you forgot you owned. But hey, remember, please do your own research. This isn't financial advice, just me sharing insights to help you navigate all this craziness a little smarter. Stay sharp out there and